One of the things I love about making my own granola at home is that it is an amazing way of using up any odds and ends of nuts and seeds that you might have in your pantry, and you can also tailor it. This is a grain-free version, so if you're sensitive to oats, this is perfect. Here I am combining walnuts, pecans, flax and chia seeds, and what brings this all together is the Frontier Foods coconut oil and also some agave for some natural sweetener. I'm going to press this down, and this is how you get these gorgeous kind of cluster pieces, which I really love. One of the most important things to do is with your dried fruit, just stir it in at the end and the residual heat will cook it. Store this in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks.